Make a great choice today with the 2011 Buick Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, Harman Kardon sound system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.